Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the surface. This is where the finish is won or lost. Remove loose paint and oils, then wipe with a degreaser so the liner bonds. Once done, mask 1/2 beyond the target edge to protect adjacent surfaces. You need to stir the liner according to the label. Proper mixing controls viscosity and coverage. Pour a small amount into a clean tray. This prevents contamination. Now pick the appropriate nap or tip, so your first pass lays down an even bead. You apply with smooth, confident strokes. Inconsistent speed makes ridges. Hold the tool at a consistent angle and maintain steady pressure. This controls bead size and thickness. Once you lay a strip, overlap the next pass by 20 to 30% so seams blend smoothly. If you see high spots, work them out quickly while wet. If the material skins over, you must sand and reapply. Make sure to check edges and feather them immediately to avoid hardened seams. You finish by letting the liner cure per label instructions. Temperature and humidity change cure time, so monitor conditions. Once cured, inspect for thin spots or orange peel. If you need another coat, lightly sand with the specified grit to promote adhesion, then wipe clean. For lifting or bubbling, remove failed areas back to sound substrate, re-clean, and reapply. This fixes adhesion failures. One key troubleshooting tip: soften small ridges with a light solvent or sand.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.